guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. So today is Monday. It's the very first week of school, so this vlog is kind of a week in my life college edition because you guys want to see more college vlogs. I don't know, I look very tired. That's what I look like. But I have work right now, so I'm going to work and then I have class this evening at like 6 o'clock at night. I might change that schedule around eventually, but all my classes this semester are like evening classes, which is a good and bad thing. So just keep on watching, follow me throughout my first week of school for my second semester of my junior year. But before it really gets into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get into the vlog.
You break all the rules. It's so tiny in my giant hand now.
What is that? What is that?
Anybody want to go?
Gonna make some ravioli. What? Got a dog. It's not mine. Got some classic spinach ravioli. A little organic marinara. And some parm, you know? And of course, The Office. Now I'm eating a salad with buffalo and ranch because I'm still hungry. Always. So I showered after I ate. Anyways, now I'm gonna just put on some subtle makeup, you know, some BB cream, some mascara, some brows for my class because I ain't trying to impress nobody. I'm just trying to get there, get educated, and leave. That is college. That's college in a sentence right there. But yeah, so all I'm wearing is, I'll show you guys. I am wearing my usual Polarni long sleeve. This is actually the most comfy shirt ever. It's got a little polar bear on the back. I'll leave the link to this down below. And then I just got these Gymshark leggings on, and I think they discontinued this. They have like the side pocket and they're just like classic black leggings. I think they discontinued these ones, or I think they might have come out with them like revamped, you know? So if I can, I'll link those down below as well. And then for my feet, I'm just gonna wear my all black Nikes. Yeah. Oh, I got a stain on this already. I suck, but that's the fit, that's the fit. So I just went to CVS and to go pick up my mail, and I got my planner. Look at Dougie. Look at, I got my planner. But I got this from Nordstrom. Usually I get my planners from the Kate Spade website, but they didn't have any on there. But they had them at Nordstrom, or online at Nordstrom. I think I'm gonna make a plan with me video for how I fill out my planner as a college student, like primarily all like how I plan out all of my assignments and stuff, because I feel like that could be helpful for you guys, especially if you're an incoming freshman. Just me sharing my little tips, tidbits, all that stuff. Filling out my planner is like such a guilty pleasure. I love it, but I think I'm just gonna like write in my work schedule right now. Yeah, just like not my school stuff because I'll save that for the video, but I'm like itching to get into this planner and write in it right now because I love it. I love planners. Voila. Good old stats.
Just in math.
Casual.
Chilling in math.
My face looks sunburnt.
I just look dead.
Just dead.
Tired.
Just dead right now. This lighting's
Dead and
awful.
tired.
It looks scary. To like. Just got out of my class. It was a night class. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. But yeah, there's like no one on campus. So I feel so confident vlogging right now. But yeah, it's like 9 o'clock at night right now. So this is like the end of my night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I'm gonna be heading to the gym right now. I finally got my lazy, unmotivated ass up and I am going. New year, New me, kinda, yeah. Yeah, and then I just gotta run some errands, and then I have class at 3. So that's what my Tuesday's looking like, and then after class I have work. So I got done at the gym, and then I went tanning. I'm probably gonna do laundry, because Aaron doesn't understand the whole GTL thing from Jersey Shore, but I feel like I just have to do laundry now that I went to the gym, and then I tanned. So, yeah. But I'm making breakfast right now, and actually it's more like lunch. It's almost noon. But this is like cauliflower and sweet potato, and then I'm gonna make some eggs. So I bet you're like, Sydney, why haven't you showered yet? And it's because the water is turned off in my building, which couldn't be better timing for me, since I literally went to the gym and then I tanned, and so that's just like a combination of like stinkiness. So I think, well, first I'm gonna take a vitamin, because I've been taking daily vitamins, because since being a vegetarian, I can just feel my body lacking the nutrients that it was once used to. So my body's just kind of getting used to like, oh, no more like that big portion of iron from meat that I would get. So a little iron deficient. So I'm just taking a multivitamin. It's just a 1-a-day women's vitamin, but it's something, you know. I'm gonna do some other things that don't involve me being around other people and being smelly, and then I'll see if the water's turned on. If not, I'm gonna go to my mom's and shower, because I have, oh, I just burped. I have class at 3, and I don't want my first impression to be like, hi, my name's Sydney, you know. Really need to get a move on, and my building's water is still not on, which is a big inconvenience. So I'm going to rush to my mom's house, shower and change there, come back, get ready, and go to class. I'm headed to class soon. Here's the little OOTD. So this, made this, Forever 21, H&M, Forever 21, Adidas. So I only had that one class today. Yeah, so now I'm going home, and then I have to go to work. So that's the rest of my Tuesday. Thank you. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, and it's 8:30 in the morning. Got my Starbucks, and I'm going to my internship all day. Good old 9 to 5 day for me today. So yeah, that's what my day's looking like. I don't have classes on Wednesday. I just have my internship. So yeah, you probably won't see much of me, or much of like vlogging today. Yeah. Here's your close-up. Say something.
You always vlog when I'm disgusting.
Sorry.
Every time. Like 2 minutes today. Like I was cute yesterday. You weren't here, obviously.
Sorry. I'll ask you next time.
Yeah, you should. You should warn me. Give a girl a warning.
Hey guys, it's like 7 o'clock at night on today, Thursday. Yeah, I didn't really vlog a lot today. I woke up, went to work, came home from work, took a nap, went to class. I look awfully like flushed, not flushed. Like I have no color in my face right now. I'm also not feeling well, so that's probably why. And I haven't eaten like anything today because I just feel like crap. But yeah, so I have not vlogged anything except for those little blurps of me going to class and me trying to take a video in class. And yeah. So tonight I'm just gonna make some food. I'll probably show you guys what I make, you know, because like it's entertaining. I don't know. I'm so out of it because I just feel like crap. Like I've only had spinach to eat today. Legit, only spinach and water. So, yeah, so that's my day. Sorry I didn't really document any of it. Yummy. Got some Brussels sprouts and these little raviolis from that one Evol brand that I really like and talk about sometimes in my vlogs. But yeah, it was like one of their stovetop little packets that you make on the stove, and it's really, really yummy. I just woke up, so here I am in all my morning glory. And I don't have class today. It's Friday. I don't have Friday classes, but I'm gonna be productive today, so I'm just gonna keep vlogging. And this will just be a Monday through Friday week in my life vlog. I'm gonna go try to look like a real human. So, yeah. So right now I am finding a romper that I sold. Here it is. On my POSHMARK. So yeah, this whole bin is just like clothes that I have on my POSHMARK right now. Clothes and accessories, like this cute purse. Oh, I used this purse when I went to Europe and I just don't use it anymore, but it was such a good purse. Anyways, yeah, so I have so many things on POSHMARK and I'm always adding more as I go through my closet and get rid of stuff. So self-promo, go check out my POSHMARK, shop my closet. This is just my little comfy outfit I'm wearing as I am productive today. So I got my bear shirt. I mentioned this in a haul video before. And then these are just Lulu leggings. So whenever I am trying to have a productive day or I just have a lot that I want to do, I always write down a to-do list. It just keeps me on track and it's just satisfying to check off things. Go team. Look at this. I cracked my freaking yolk. Eggs and toast. Nothing special. Cracked my yolk, the other yolk, so I'm off to a great start. So I just prettied myself up a little bit. I'm gonna keep carrying out my day. It's like 1 o'clock. So I have some packages in the mail that I'm gonna open for you guys. I got a bathing suit and some shirts from almighty.com, and I think my essential oils diffuser might be in as well. I really hope so because I really want that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. And now we're at Wendy's.
So good. So good.
Yummy. And the kids got some Wendy's.
Oh, you put mayonnaise on it?
Not the mayonnaise. Yeah, so I'm taking Austin here to work, and then me and Jenny are gonna do whatever. Gotta take her to an appointment. I feel like a soccer mom today.
Thanks, Mom.
A little tough, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a little tough.
All right, good. That's very good.
Just took my little child to her appointment.
Got some contacts.
Ooh, now she can see. Yay! This bitch is dragging me to Target. I'm about to go in and buy shit I don't need.
I need a lunchbox.
I don't need anything, but I'm gonna find something I need. That's what's gonna happen. Well, walked right in the dollar section and finding stuff I don't need. But these are cute. They're so cute. They're only $3.
Yeah.
What?
It's a steal. Just visiting our homies Chip and Joanna.
Getting sidetracked.
Yeah, very sidetracked right now.
What did I say? I'm leaving with a lamp. This is an essential oil diffuser that I got as I nearly cut myself. And I'm really excited because I've been wanting an essential oil diffuser. And I got this one from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is what it looks like.
How cute. Wait, I like that.
It's so cute. It's got like
I might get one too.
the marble, yeah. Yay! I can't wait to play around with it. But look how aesthetically pleasing.
Red stars.
Ooh,
Wow.
okay. Just a little, just a little bit cheeky.
It's a little
you know?
cheeky. That's a full-on thong.
Yeah, maybe, kind of, yes.
Does it go like high-waisted-ish?
Mm-hmm. It's like...
Cute. I think you should put it over your leggings.
Should I?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You look like one of like those workout. You look like a workout person. That's hilarious. You know? Yeah.
Love. Right now, I'm filming a video. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yep, so I just filmed a video. That'll be up next week. Next week, that'll be up. But yeah, it's like 5 o'clock right now. I work at 6:45, and then that's like gonna be my day. So that was the week in my life. Like a weekday in my life. It was pretty fun doing that. I have never really done a week in my life video before. I usually just do day in the life videos. So if you like these, comment down below, like this video, show me that you love it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for following me along in my week. Have a great day or night, whatever is going on. Yeah, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.